I'm Chris, CEO here at Engenius. I started this company 18 years ago to help small businesses grow through intentional marketing. This video is part of a short series where we talk plainly about marketing, what actually works, and how small businesses can use it to grow with confidence. Our guiding idea is simple: clear marketing, real growth. We talk to a lot of small businesses and organizations who want to make an impact. We've learned that when your message is clear and your marketing is intentional, you will stand out, especially against competitors who guess and react. For owners and leadership teams, working with Engenius creates something almost as valuable as a constant flow of new leads. It gives you back time and focus so you can actually run your business. When budgets get tight, it's easy to treat marketing like a cost that needs to be cut. But the businesses that reach their goals are the ones that treat marketing like a valuable investment, something designed to produce a return over time. Marketing builds visibility, trust, and longevity. It rarely creates results overnight. But when you do it consistently, the results compound. That's what it takes to reach your goals. We know this works because we've seen it. For over 2 decades of working in marketing across industries including AEC firms, nonprofits, and service-based businesses. The companies that commit to clear messaging and steady marketing are the ones that achieve their goals. Investing in marketing doesn't have to feel overwhelming. When you partner with Engenius, you partner with a team that understands small businesses. We work hard for you to remove the stress and uncertainty that marketing can sometimes bring. Starting small is okay. What matters is that you start intentionally. When you treat marketing as an investment, you give your business the opportunity to do more than survive. You get the chance to reach your goals and thrive.